ग्रेट. बिकॉज यस इतने नहीं आ रहे, इसीलिए मैंने कहा ऑडिबल हूं या नहीं हूं, क्योंकि यस आएगा तो मुझे एनर्जी और मिलेगी. So as JBN FDD platform helps us in creating unlimited opportunities by expanding your sales channels. Yes, sales channels in terms of franchise, dealers and distribution network. Moreover, it also offers opportunities to member to invest in right franchise. तो हम दोनों तरीके से हेल्प कर रहे हैं और इस सिस्टम को हम इसको एक्सप्लोर कर सकते हैं जो आज हमारी टीम आपके सामने पेश करेगी. वी हैव एन एक्सीलेंट टीम टू हेल्प यू ऑन दिस. दे हैव डिकेड्स ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस. बट लेट मी इनवाइट फर्स्ट मिस्टर संजय जी जैन, our JBN Apex chairman, to formally welcome all. Sanjay ji, is he here?
Yeah.
Siddesh bhai?
Yes, Rahul, I'm here.
So we
I'm
all
always
know
there.
Yeah, thank you, Sanjay ji. We all know him. He is a multifaceted personality and superstar of Jain community. He is not only double gold medalist from IIM Ahmedabad, but also rank holder in cost accounting and CS, company secretaryship. In fact, he has been the youngest chairman of City. He is also an author and mentor. He is currently the chairman of NITRA and also executive member in many committees, associations of national importance. Most important, his passion is to give back to the society and he is involved in multiple social causes. Over to Sanjay ji.
Thanks, Rahul, for those very, very kind words coming at the end of the day, but the beginning of a very powerful FDD session. Sabko mera sadar Jai Jinendra, and very nice to see all of you here. In fact, आप लोग सब leaders हैं JBN के, और आपके माध्यम से ऐसे powerful programs like FDD are going to reach out not only to the Jito fraternity but also to the Jain community. हमारे JBN का हर प्रोग्राम का पहला ध्येय जीतो मेंबर्स है, बट वो अंतिम ध्येय नहीं है. The final target is that it percolates to the Jain community, to each and every member, because together we grow and inclusive growth is very important. और जैसे आप लोग सब अपने आप को जानते ही हैं और अपने बाकी मेंबर्स को जानते हैं, we are finally an enlightened lot and it's our duty to give back to society, and we don't need to give back by giving donations. I don't believe. मैं कहता हूं आप आदमी को आत्मनिर्भर बनाओ, सक्षम बनाओ, more capable बनाओ, economically empower करो, so that he himself will be not only able to support himself but also support so many other people. As they say, the chain should continue. First of all, I would like to congratulate our FDT convener Narendra ji Shamshukha, a person I really admire and has also been in many ways my mentor, especially socially. My first connect with a social organization was under his chairmanship. So I have learned and seen and grown alongside him. And it was his dream, not only from this term, from many long. मेरे को बहुत दिन से कह रहे थे, मैं तो JBN से शुरू से जुड़ा हुआ हूँ. वो हमेशा जब भी JBN की बात होती थी यही कहते थे, या हमें ये franchise वाला काम करना चाहिए. He himself, as we all know, is a champion of franchise, and he understands it probably better than anyone else, with hundreds of franchise opened all across the country over many years. I personally, हमारा TT का business में भी franchise का बहुत important connection रहा है. From 25-30 years back, जब franchise as a word was not even very popular, तब से हमने franchise, not only marketing franchises बनाए but manufacturing franchises का experiment किया है in many centers all across the country. So the power of franchise is very well known today. आज you see McDonald's, you're seeing Domino's, and you're seeing Starbucks, and so many more. And all of them are not company-owned shops or showrooms or retail counters, whatever we see all across us. They all are most probably a franchise taken from some big brand. And all big brands in the world understood the power of franchising, the power that it gives to grow fast, the power that it gives you to reach out to people. And as Rahul said, sales is a very important thing. और बिक्री है, marketing है, तब बाकी सब कुछ है. आपके पास प्रोडक्ट है, आप पहुंच नहीं पा रहे हो, तो क्या काम का. So congratulations to the whole team. जिसने नरेंद्र जी ने अब अपने अंदर बनाया है। उन्होंने कहा था मैं हर जोन से एक एक लूंगा, मैं सबका नाम नहीं लूंगा क्योंकि मैं किसी न किसी को पक्का भूल जाऊंगा, but all the team members are here and I'm sure they'll be introduced. I just told नरेंद्र जी about on Monday कि आपने टीम बहुत अच्छी बनाई है, तो आपका आधा से ज्यादा काम हो गया। मेरा भी JBN का आधा से ज्यादा काम मैंने अपनी टीम बनाई तो हो गया। अगर मैं नरेंद्र जी को नहीं बनाता FDD कन्वीनर तो मेरा काम नहीं बढ़ता आगे। So that's how we all build the chain, and that's how we all succeed. So I won't take more time. I'm sure we all are here to hear more about how FDD can make a change in our lives, either by making us grow or by making us find a solution, a business model to work in our own places. And this is one model, as Narendra ji says, which will connect tier 1 and tier 2 and tier 3 people. जो लोग कहते हैं JBN में हम क्या बात करें, हम तो सबको जानते हैं। ऐसी FDD जैसी JBN में बहुत अपॉर्चुनिटीज है, मेंटरशिप है, FDD है, स्मॉल स्केल बिजनेसेस है, youth wing, international wing, and so many other small things are there, जिससे कोई भी सिटी और कोई भी प्रोफाइल ऑफ मेंबर JBN से बिना जुड़े रह नहीं सकता है। हमारा WhatsApp में तो आप लोग सब है ही, और WhatsApp का पावर आप लोग सब देख रहे हैं किस ढंग से बिना फोन करे, बिना बोले, आज इवनिंग में डिनर टाइम पर आप लोग 50 लोग जुड़े हैं जो आगे 500 लोग को ये मैसेज या 5000 को ये मैसेज पहुंचाएंगे। So thanks and once again congratulations to the team, and we look forward to learning much more, not only tonight but also in the days to come through a lot of structured communication. Thank you, and back to you, Rahul. Thanks for calling me.
Thank you, Sanjay ji. You are omnipresent and your words are really encouraging, besides your vision and your team. So let me ask you another question. What is common between IPL, McDonald's, Starbucks, and IIT? Yeah, they have all become popular by franchise system. And our own Amit Ji Nahar, he is also franchisee rock star. So I want to introduce Amit Ji. He is among the pioneer of franchising in India, having franchised 500 plus brands, and right now is a founder CEO of Sparkle Minds, a boutique franchise consulting firm offering these consulting end-to-end consulting for franchise expansion. So I like to invite Amit Ji for introducing the team. Thank you. Over to Amit Ji. Amit Ji, please unmute.
Yeah. Thank you, Rahul Ji. Thank you for the wonderful words and a fantastic introduction to franchising from Sanjay Ji. It already seems that this is a powerhouse of a group, and I'd like to introduce our entire team, which Narendra Ji has put together, and it really has been a very, very exciting last 2 weeks. Interacting with the team and doing some very, very meaningful work. Great. So I'll start off with the introduction of our convener, Dr. Narendra Ji Samshuka. He's the founder and chairman of ICA EduSkills Private Limited, and is they're pioneers in the field of job-oriented accounts, finance and taxation, training 2 lakh plus students pan-India in 20 different sectors. He's of course a great entrepreneur, learner, visionary, mentor, investor, focused on education and skill development with over 32 years of business experience. He recently has started IDCM as well, which is a digital and content marketing division. I mean, he's a veteran in the Jito chapters. He's the ex-chairman of the Kolkata chapter, founder chairman of JIF, founder national president of Therapon Professional Forum, secretary general of ASTP, charter member of TIE, member of Indian Angels Network. The list is endless. He is one visionary person that we have amongst ourselves, and we'd like to introduce him to this August panel. Next is our co-convener, Rahul Ji himself. He's the founder director of BizWiz Learning, which is into leadership and business coaching. He's also the licensee of LMI. LMI is the world's largest leadership development company. And of course, he's a mentor to the IIM Ahmedabad CIIE, has authored multiple ebooks, and is passionate about equity research and spiritualism. Rahul Jain is a MBA from MDI Gurgaon, OHB from Laureate US University, and is a fellow company secretary as well. He's been keynote speaker, presenter at various national and international conferences, seminars, and has consulted and coached many startups, companies, and colleges. So this is our co-convener for everybody. The next person on the panel is our North Zone FDD consultant, Shri Vinitji Jain. Vinit Jain is the managing partner of Wintrust Finpro Distributors LLP, which deals in mutual funds and other investment products. He's a MBA and has worked for 12 years with banks like ICICI, Citibank, and Morgan Stanley before starting his investment boutique firm. He has industry experience spanning over 21 years in private wealth management, capital market, and banking. Welcome, Vinitji. Then we have Shri Vikasji Baid, who's our East Zone FDD consultant. He's a chartered accountant with 25 years of experience and dabbles in real estate and business consulting as well. We next have our FDD consultant from Rajasthan zone, who's Shri Rishi Jainji. Rishi ji is involved in manufacturing of fine Kundan Meena and diamond jewelry, has a global presence with his brand Jaipur Jadao, and is part of various national, social, and Jain organizations. Welcome, Rishi ji. Then we have Yashas ji, who's the FDD consultant from Gujarat zone. He's an MBA with 17 years of experience in media, real estate, and franchise businesses. Has started his business as growth consultant in August 2020 and launched his first virtual growth expo in March. He's an active Jito Ahmedabad member and is a passionate networking and has a vision for growth of Jito members. So this is the team, friends, for all of you, for you to be able to contact us and to be able to take things ahead.
Amit ji, आपका introduction कौन देगा, Amit ji?
मेरा introduction राहुल जी ने दे दिया है already. I guess आपने miss कर लिया है. Already मेरा introduction हो गया है.
Amit ji is a franchisee veteran. I will add more points to his introduction. Those who have joined late or missed out. He is ex-vice president of Franchising Association of India, ex-president of RCC Bangalore, and a sought-after speaker and franchise veteran. Yes, Amit ji.
Thank you, Rahul ji. I've lived franchising throughout the 22 years of my professional career, and that is all I know and I've been doing. So it's really a pleasure. I've always been thinking to contribute to Jito and this fraternity over a long period of time. And when Narendra ji reached out to me, Narendra ji Samarji from the Bangalore zone, and then Narendra ji Shamsuka ji from the national zone to be able to be a part of this team, I said, wow, this is a great opportunity to give back to our brothers and to our fraternity, and whatever we've learned, we could possibly make a good contribution to this particular genre. So I'm very excited. I'm sure we'll be able to bring in some very, very interesting things through the FDD, through all the chapters, and I look forward to participating with all our team members and doing some meaningful work in franchising at Jito as well. Thank you very much. Over to you, Rahul ji, again.
Thank you, Amit ji, for such a nice introduction of the team members. It is said that team which eats together, they actually gel together and they are very much successful. So that's why we are having a meeting time and dinner, and we are right now together at that dinner time. So now, without wasting much of the time, I will now request Narendra ji to take it over and guide us about these unlimited opportunities that we are having by FDD. Over to Narendra ji.
Jai Jinendra once again. So as the coming to today's main agenda, this the FDD division was a dream for me, where I felt that this can add a lot of value to most of the members, and it is not just, you know, say some big business houses, rather the every Jain member and as well as, you know, and not only just Jito member, rather the even every Jain community member. So I'll share, you know, say what all we are having in mind and what, you know, say we are planning to start. And once, you know, so this is over, then we will take all the questions. So there is a purpose of the meeting where the, you know, you should have the clarity about the project, and if any concern, suggestion, most welcome, so that, you know, say we can make it robust. So the mission is, you know, to provide 1,000 new FDD opportunity in this tenure. I mean, in the 2 year, out of which 3 months has already gone, and you know, we are committed to develop around 1,000 new businesses. And the vision is to create a trustworthy platform to connect with the right entrepreneur. What I feel, you know, say if anybody want to develop the franchising or the, you know, dealership or the distributorship, the Jito network is the biggest network of country where the 20,000 plus entrepreneurs are connected. And these are the people, you know, say they are resourceful people, have the knowledge, they know the how to run the businesses, they have the all, you know, every sphere of the business they know, and they are, you know, hungry for the any new opportunity. धंधे की बात anytime तैयार, and that is, you know, say showing the by having the 50 people, you know, at this time. So we are going to provide, you know, this is the going to be enabling platform to engage for the economic empowerment. And if you see that, you know, say economic empowerment is the one of the our, you know, major objective of the Jito, which is, you know, say included in logo itself. And connecting the brands to the globally as well as the nationally with the Jain business community, connecting with the right people with the higher level of the trust. See, I have seen, you know, say businesses goes fast when the trust factor is there. And I find this is the most beautiful or the most easiest and most powerful thing of the Jito, where the, you know, people have the trust factor. And not only that, if they want to check ref check, that is, you know, say very easy, because definitely we must be knowing, you know, say somebody in the particular chapter, or we can connect, you know, say with the chairman, secretary, or anybody, you know, say to check the credential of the brand, credential of the person who is offering the product, and creating the limitless opportunity for everyone. So the benefit is, you know, say two-sided. One is the two business houses or the brand who want to expand and who have the established business model. Second is to the members, you know, members of every chapter, every big, small, tier 1, tier 2 chapter, where they, you know, so they can have the opportunity. And the third is in many small chapter, particularly the chapters where the membership is below 100. I am finding, you know, so the JBN meeting is very difficult, because when we are having the JBN meeting, in the first, second meeting, people come, but by and large they know everyone. So they know everyone, then, you know, say basically the reference scheme doesn't work much in the smaller chapter. And there I feel that this FDD is going to work, you know, say very beautifully, where we can present 3 to 4 opportunity every month. So basically to any chapter we can offer, you know, say anything between 35 to 50 opportunity in a year. And when this is going to happen consistently, definitely the people will have the interest that what are the opportunity are coming next. And not only that, these opportunity we will be sharing well in advance, the one pager of the opportunity, as well as the possible maybe 1 to 2 minute video of the brand, so that people should know that, you know, say what the all brand is going to offer. And also helping the new franchisor by connecting them with the various consultant to improve their brand visibility and to develop the ecosystem. See, this is the power of Jito. FCP members approx 1500, Pattern 12,500, Saman Arogyam 108, JTF 200 plus, Ladies Wing, Youth Wing. Put together 20,000 plus entrepreneurs are connected at India itself. And international chapter, definitely it is increasing day by day. So I used to tell the 20,000 plus entrepreneurs network, Hungry Entrepreneurs Network, Pan India, in 67 chapters. So let me share with you, what do you mean by the franchising? There are the, 4 different business model of, in the franchising. COCO, which is the company owned and company operated. When I'm saying owned means the infrastructure expenses and investment. And when I'm saying the operation means the managing day-to-day operation. The second is the COFO model, where the company owned, however, it is managed by franchisee. The third is franchisee owned and company operated, FOCO. And the last is the FOFO, that is the franchisee owned and franchisee operated. So there are the 4 different type of the models are there, and these are the model depending on the what company bringing to the table and for what they are looking for a franchisee. There are the some of the top Indian brand who have developed their network on the franchising. And these all the brand, it's not just 10, 20 or the 50 or 100. They are having 500 plus, 1,000 plus network, and which is the possible only and only when we are adopting the franchisee model. Some of the international brand. See, why somebody should join the FDD? Because we all are businessmen. Otherwise also we are growing, we are developing our businesses. We are appointing the franchisee, dealers and distributor. The reason is here we are having around 50 JBN chapters in country, and 10,000 plus people are connected in the WhatsApp group, where they through WhatsApp also we can share with them the opportunity or in the franchising. The model what we are planning is we are going to share that these are the opportunities are available with the FDD chapter convener, and then say depending on the brand requirement as well as the chapter requirement and type of the city, say we will connect the 2 to 4 brand with them who are going to present in the next meeting. As I said that say we'll be sharing the 1-minute video and the 1-pager, and then presenting the brand in person, where the brand will be presenting a 5-minute to 7-minute presentation in front of the JBN members, and then thereafter will be a common Q&A. And once so this is the entire presentation is going to complete into 10 to 15 minutes for the one brand, and then the people who are interested to know more and to know in detail, they can fix up the appointment with the brand representative and they can have a discussion, and then so they can proceed. So this is the what say we have planned to keep a joining fees for the brand. If somebody is initially targeting 2 zone of Jito has divided the entire country into 9 zone, and we are finding the some of the brand they are interested only to develop in the 1 or 2 zone. So for them we have kept a very nominal fees, which is the 1 lakh plus GST. And if somebody is planning for the Pan India distribution, then say this is around 2 lakh plus GST. However, the same thing for the non-Jito member, this will be around 5 lakh, and for the international member this will be 10 lakh. These are the support system we have, we are developing for the first time franchisor. And these are the, so we have empaneled branding consultant, marketing agencies, legal consultant, the consultant, so who are making the system processes, SOPs, ERP, so that, the brand can have these all the support system to nurture and develop the franchisee or the dealer or distributor system. So the disclaimer is basically, so we are a platform where, say helping both the parties, say to meet, but definitely it is on the both the party to evaluate the business proposal as well as the party and to, evaluate and to finalize. This is, I'll request Siddesh to share in the chat. And this is our team, which is, say still we are building the team. So already Naj has, say introduced everyone. I will not take name again. However, so we are still in the process for appointing the zonal co-convener for the 4 zone, and that is the Mumbai, ROM, Tamil Nadu and AP, and CG and MP. So this was a Chris presentation and sharing from my side, which is the, say about this the entire program. And now I'll open for the question answer. So any member who
So now house is open for Q&A. So let's have more interactions. So कोई भी किसी के भी दिमाग में कोई भी सवाल है या कोई input है, please discuss and let's have a brainstorming. कोई भी आपके mind में question है, we are here to help you.
जय जिनेंद्र, मेरा नाम प्रवीण राका है, मैं जोन का चीफ सेक्रेटरी हूँ, नॉर्थ जोन का।
जय जिनेंद्र। हाँ प्रवीण जी,
मेरी एक क्वेरी है कि जो ये एफडीडी प्रोग्राम है हमारा, आज हम ओरिएंटेशन कर रहे हैं, तो इसमें कोई हमने इसकी एसओपी या कोई ऐसी प्रोसेस भी बनाई है जो कि चैप्टर्स में जितनी भी एग्जीक्यूटिव कमेटी है उनको हर वो कन्वीनर उसको बता सके और समझा सके?
Hello.
हाँ नरेंद्र जी, yes.
Yeah. So we are, say we have built a SOP and we will, say share the same with the all JBN convener as well as the chapter chairman.
स्पीकर कौन है इसमें?
So Kailash ji has a question. Kailash ji has a question. हाँ जी.
हाँ, मैं क्वेश्चन पढ़ देता हूँ आपके लिए.
Yeah, please.
Now do we have pool of Jain business houses offering franchises? Like if someone is interested in some new business by taking some franchise, how he need to move ahead? मतलब
दूध नहीं चाहिए।
फ्रेंचाइजी लेने के लिए पूछना चाह रहे हैं कि क्या स्टेप्स हो सकते हैं?
फ्रेंचाइजी लेने के लिए आपके कोई सेपरेट स्टेप नहीं है. वी विल बी प्रेजेंटिंग द रेस्पेक्टिव ब्रांड इनटू द चैप्टर मीटिंग्स So in the chapter meeting, when you are attending, because you will be getting the information well in advance, and in chapters you can attend the meeting, and you can decide, and you can finalize the franchisee. So जो franchisee लेना चाहते हैं ना, उनके लिए कोई फीस नहीं है.
नरेंद्र जी, I just like to add.
हाँ जी.
आप लोग हर एक आदमी चैप्टर में मीटिंग में नहीं आता है, तो we should also circulate it using our WhatsApp network कि जो भी आपकी opportunities FDD में बनती है, मतलब जब आपके 4-5 कंपाइल हो जाती है, so that information reaches everyone with the respective आप लोग का contact details for contacting the team.
Sanjay ji, initially we have decided that say we will be presenting the case say in person, because somewhere say through WhatsApp say franchising will be difficult. However, say we will evaluate that say how we can share the information with them, and they can register for the meeting, and maybe they can join the meeting via Zoom when the franchisee opportunity is getting presented.
वो ठीक है, अगर आप जूम रखोगे तो ठीक है, पर अगर आप चैप्टर मीटिंग्स में जाओगे, बहुत चैप्टर्स में आपकी मीटिंग नहीं होती है, या जब तक अपॉर्चुनिटी आएगा मंथ्स में पास. सो यू नीड टू वर्क आउट समथिंग कि अगर मुझे कल कोई बोलता है कि मेरे को आना है, तो या तो आप जूम मीटिंग करें या कुछ करें, ताकि पीपल हु आर इंटरेस्टेड दे डोंट हैव टू वेट.
So we are building, Sanjay ji, we are say in process of building the people who are interested for the franchising, and we are say building their database, so that we can have a Zoom meeting offering pan India also.
और सिद्धेश जी से मैं रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ कि वो जो इन्वेस्टर इंटरेस्टेड है, एक फॉर्म भी हमने बनाया हुआ है, वो लिंक चैट बॉक्स पे डाल दीजिए.
Just to add to the answer, I think सारे कन्वीनर्स के पास में अपॉर्चुनिटीज रहेंगी, तो जिसको भी कोई भी जोन वाले लोग अगर कहीं पर भी किसी को भी कोई फ्रेंचाइजी लेनी हो, the conveners are aware of all the opportunities and they will be able to present it to the person who's available and who's looking at taking up the opportunities.
Amit ji, it is not always the case. Some conveners are not as active as the others. So we should not only bank on them because we need to reach the last mile in whatever fashion possible. So you need to keep all your avenues open. Don't just work through one avenue. I'm telling this from my personal experience.
Absolutely. Yes.
Sanjay ji, point noted. We will take care.
There are many people raising hands. Let's take one by one. So Induji is there from North Delhi. She is also North Zone co-convener. Yeah.
जय जिनेंद्र सभी को. I have a question. आपने कहा फीस नहीं होगी, तो you are charging the fees from the franchisor जो फ्रेंचाइजी अपनी देना चाह रहा है. You are charging, but वो तो आगे जिसको भी अपनी फ्रेंचाइजी देगा तो he will be charging a fees, ना? It won't be free.
ये डिपेंड करता है रेस्पेक्टिव ब्रांड पे कि वो लोग क्या उनका मॉडल है, what the fees they want to charge, what is the joining fees or what is the recurring revenue sharing. So that all depending on the brand and depending on the members that say how they want to go for that. But normally कोई भी franchising model में always there is a initial joining fees and then there is a revenue sharing on recurring revenue.
No, that is for the FDD platform. That is for the Jito platform. But the person, suppose I am taking somebody's franchisee, so I have to pay a fees, no?
No,
that would be there.
ऐसा इंदु जी, वो you have to study the entire business model, and there the not only fees say might be you need to invest some money into infrastructure or the working capital.
There would be a cost to it.
Yeah, definitely. So if you are going to start a business,
we have to take in account. So we have to take in account, like you said, na, there won't be any fees. So I was just coming to that. There would be some amount which we don't know, which the person whosoever is offering his franchise, he would be able to decide. He wants to give his franchisee for free, or he wants to charge 10 lakh, 5 lakh, 3 lakh, 2 lakh, whatever it is.
Right, agree. So let me correct that. When I was saying that there will not be any fees, that I mean to for joining the FDD project. So for
But
there,
if I want to, okay, if I want to give opportunity to some, I have franchises, I have a shop, I want to give that opportunity. So then I don't have to pay. That is what you are saying?
No, if you are a franchisor, you are a brand, you want to give the franchisee, then definitely you have to pay fees. And the process of that
Okay.
is that so you will apply. Maybe we may require some document, some business information, and there is a committee which is going to evaluate your project, and then the committee will decide whether we can onboard this brand or not. And if it is getting onboarded, then somebody need to sign the agreement and going to pay the fees.
Okay. And who's not paying the fees then?
There is no fees for any chapter or any member who is say attending the meeting and who is interested to take the franchisee.
Okay, but I think so that's unsaid for, because we are promoting to audience bhi nahi degi, audience se to we won't be charging na, so people we are calling, so we won't be charging them.
Yeah.
Yes, thank you, Induji, for your
Thank you,
question.
thank
Now
you.
let's move to Ketan ji, chapter chairman, Baroda, very dynamic JBN enthusiast. Ketan ji, yes.
सबको पहले सादर जय जिनेंद्र। नरेंद्र जी और राहुल जी, हमारा एक खास क्वेश्चन है कि पर्टिकुलरली आपने जो जेबीएन मेंबर के लिए 2 लाख रुपए चार्जेस फिक्स किए हैं, एंड विद इन दैट हम अगर समझो कि वी आर नाउ कमिंग विद रेंज ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट, न्यूट्रास्यूटिकल, कॉस्मेटिक्स एंड नंबर ऑफ हेल्थ केयर प्रोडक्ट, एंड सपोज वी वांट टू जेबीएन एफडीडी wants to be as a intermediate part for the franchise, and we will give rupees 2 lakhs fees. So within that entire, starting from the evaluation कि हमारा कितना हमें चार्ज रखना चाहिए, what is our due diligence, or up to till appointment of ये franchisee, ये पूरा कवर हो जाता है इसमें नरेंद्र जी?
केतन जी, इसमें ये मान लो जो एड ऑन मैंने कुछ सर्विसेज वहां पे आपको जैसे बताई थी ना, जो मान लो कनेक्टिंग विद द डिजिटल मार्केटिंग एजेंसीज और द मार्केटिंग एजेंसीज और द पीपल हु आर डिजाइनिंग द ब्रोशर्स, या मान लो
नरेंद्र जी, सॉरी बीच में बोल रहा हूँ, वो तो सोशल मीडिया प्रमोशन वाली बात होगी। मैं बात कर रहा हूँ पर्टिकुलरली, जैसे मान लो मेरी प्रोडक्ट है, तो मुझे क्या मेरी फ्रेंचाइजी फीस रखनी चाहिए, मेरा ड्यू डिलीजेंस क्या है, सामने वाले का ड्यू डिलीजेंस क्या होगा, जो अपॉइंटमेंट प्रोसेस है वो सब आप लोग ही करेंगे, मींस अपना ये एफडीडी डिवीजन ही करेगा?
अपॉइंटमेंट प्रोसेस केतन भाई जो रेस्पेक्टिव कंपनी है ना वो अपना सेट करती है, बट डेफिनेटली से वी हैव लॉट ऑफ फ्रेंचाइजिंग एक्सपर्ट, so we can definitely mentor or guide to the any brand that what should be, what should not be, or the what should be the policies, what should be the systems and all.
So which can be covered in these all charges?
Yeah, that is, see, that is, there is no charges for that. Basically this जो 2 लाख रुपया 1 लाख रुपया रखा है ना, that is say to meet the secretariat expenses, because we didn't wanted to have the fund from Jito for this, because that is the charity fund which say somehow we felt that say we should not be asking them to fund us, and we should be self-sufficient.
नहीं, that is okay. 2 लाख रुपया चार्जेस है, उसके लिए we don't mind. मेरा कहना ये है कि वंस हम 2 लाख रुपए जो फीस देते हैं, तो इसके अंदर जो एफडीडी का रोल है कि वंस वी विल सबमिट अवर एंटायर प्रपोजल टू एफडीडी, सो इसमें हमारा भी हमने जो प्रपोजल रखा है इसमें हम कहाँ गलत है, कहाँ सही है, या हम कहाँ अपना चार्जेस इंप्रूव कर सकते हैं, कम कर सकते हैं, व्हाट इज द बेनिफिट फॉर द जो फ्रेंचाइजी लेने वाले उनको क्या करना चाहिए, वो एंटायर सपोर्ट गाइडेंस वगैरह अपने लिए यहाँ कोई डेडिकेटेड ऐसा कंसल्टिंग टीम रहेगा क्या, मेरा ये पूछना है।
ऐसा है सर कि अभी जो हम लोग का जो टीम है वो जैसे करीबन हम लोग का 10 या 11 आदमी का टीम टोटल होगा। हर जोन से हम लोग एक फ्रेंचाइजी को कन्वीनर अपॉइंट कर रहे हैं। आज जैसे
जी।
हमारे जो अमित जी नार है वो मान लो कम से कम 15-20 साल से वो फ्रेंचाइजिंग का काम कर रहे हैं। जयेश भाई जो है गुजरात से आपके, वो भी फ्रेंचाइजिंग के अंदर में काफी एक्सपर्ट है। मेरा अपना काफी एक फ्रेंचाइजिंग का 20 साल का एक्सपीरियंस है। So I feel, say we all are a good team, say we can guide you basically to create a win-win formula through which, the both parties can win and both parties can grow. So that's, so there is no separate charges for that. And this is, say all inclusive.
I would like
Thank
to
you.
add here, Ketanji, as to what
Ji.
Narendra ji is saying, I would like to add here. See, what
Ji,
you're
ji,
asking is a very detailed process for franchise development. Generally,
yeah,
जब हम कोई ब्रांड को फ्रेंचाइज करना चाहते हैं तो एक
जी,
डिटेल्ड फ्रेंचाइज डेवलपमेंट प्रोग्राम होता है, जिसके तहत
जी।
एक पूरी बहुत ही इन डेप्थ इंक्लूडिंग प्रोसेसेस, मैन्युअल्स और एसओपीज वगैरह सब बनती है। तो ये जो एफडीडी प्लेटफॉर्म हमने जो डेवलप किया है, यहाँ पर दिस इज अ मार्केट प्लेस where a franchisor can come and showcase their brand, get an overview of the model. See, we are all experts, will be able to give you the overview of the model, help you understand the broad overview parameters and get the broad structure in place. And then you'll be able to present this at the platform. But if you want to do specific work, तो आपको specifically अलग-अलग consultants से वो काम करवाना पड़ेगा, बनवाना पड़ेगा, and then become ready to be able to showcase your brand at the FDD platform. This platform is more to be able to showcase your brand and connect you with the right franchises.
Okay, Amit bhai. Okay, thank you.
And one more thing I just like to add to everyone, so koi confusion nahi rahe. Brands which FDD will select will be based on the evaluation by the committee. ऐसा नहीं है कि कोई भी ब्रांड आने से वो FDD में ऑन बोर्ड हो जाएगा, बिकॉज हमारी एक जिम्मेदारी भी बनती है ऑडियंस को, हमारे मेंबर्स को और कम्युनिटी को, that we present, FDD presents brands, of a certain level and reputation, so that the aspirations are met. तो आपका ब्रांड अगर क्वालिफाई करेगा, इनका स्क्रीनिंग प्रोसेस है FDD कमिटी का, जो आपको पुट थ्रू करना पड़ेगा बिफोर यू आर ऑन बोर्डेड. इट्स नॉट जस्ट पेइंग मनी. हाँ
संजय जी, यही मैं पूछना चाहता था. Now you have given my reply.
इसलिए मैं ऐड किया. हाँ, मतलब आप सिर्फ 2 लाख रुपया देने से आप FDD के मेंबर नहीं बन जाओगे, मतलब ये मेरा जस्ट क्लियर कर रहा हूं.
मींस ड्यू डिलिजेंस प्रोसेस होगा पूरा.
नहीं, ड्यू डिलिजेंस कमिटी करेगी आपको पहले FDD बनाने के पहले. लेकिन केतन भाई, जो छोटी डिटेल है जो अमित भाई ने कहा, जो स्मॉलर डिटेल्स अबाउट लीगल डॉक्यूमेंटेशन, प्रेजेंटेशन, आपको फिर उसके लिए एक्सपर्ट हेल्प लेना पड़ेगा. यहाँ सिर्फ कंसल्टेंसी होंगे या हैंड होल्डिंग नहीं होगी.
ओके.
Thank you, Ketan ji, for your incisive questions.
Okay.
Now the next is Shreyas ji Kothari. काफी टाइम से वेट कर रहे हैं Shreyas ji.
No problem. No, my doubt is the same what Ketan ji had. The only thing is like how I'm going to know if my company is eligible for franchising model or not. Like, am I audible?
Amit bhai, will you answer?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So we have already screened around 12 companies, out of which we have approved 3 companies. The committee has created a back-end framework. We have set up a certain back-end framework to be able to evaluate franchisors. In fact, हमने काफी franchisors को guide किया है कि देखिए आप अभी presently ready नहीं है, आपको ये चीजें करनी पड़ेंगी, आप फिर ready हो जाओगे, and then you can come to this platform and be able to work with prospective franchisees. So yes, there is a back-end structure. Whenever any franchisor is going to come in, we are going to evaluate that. We are going to interview them. We have spoken to a lot of people who have come through the system and have approved a few franchisors whom we believe are ready, because we are very concerned on both sides. We want both sides to succeed, and that's what this platform is going to do.
But this was under the FDD platform which you had scrutinized them, or?
Yes, under the FDD platform. Yes.
FDD platform. Yeah. But
yes.
How about the small business people or small Jito members, small companies who want to grow big? How are we going to help them in FDD? In fact, this platform is for small and medium-sized businesses, and if
they're looking at franchising, dealerships, distribution as a model of expansion, then this is the platform that they should use.
No, but a small company who might be good, he has a good product and he wants to do franchisee, so you will evaluate and then take them.
Absolutely, there's no bar to the size. कोई size पे bar नहीं है. आप हमारे platform पे आइए, हम आपको approve करके, if you're fit, we'll be able to approve you or give you recommendations or suggestions as to how.
But lots of companies might not have the technical know-how how to present it. How you're going to help them? Do you have any consultant whom we can contact?
In fact, a few of our members who came in were not able to present their opportunities, and we said that you'll have to become presentable and get ready for it. They'll have to use help. Yeah, they'll have to use help to become presentable as well.
How to get help? Jito will help. FDD will help us to go to a good consultant and get the presentation done.
कोठारी जी, इसमें ऐसा है कि बेसिकली ये समझिए कि हम लोग का जो FDD प्लेटफॉर्म है ना, उनका जो एक मेजर काम है वो है कि सिलेक्शन करके, ऑनबोर्ड करके और उनको कनेक्ट करना. जो अपने 50 चैप्टर है, जो 50 चैप्टर में जो मंथली मीटिंग होती है ना, तो उनमें ब्रांड की प्रायोरिटी के हिसाब से उनको रेस्पेक्टिव चैप्टर्स के अंदर में कनेक्ट करके प्रेजेंट करना. नाउ आप जो बात बोल रहे हो ना, वो पूरा डिटेल्ड उनका, मान लो सपोज मार्केटिंग का प्लान बनाना है, या उनका लीगल का बनाना है, या मान लो उनका ट्रेनिंग का है, SOP का है. सो उसके लिए हमने क्या किए हैं कि हमारे कुछ जो जैन जीतो मेंबर हैं जो ये रेस्पेक्टिव बिजनेसेस में हैं, हमने उनका लिस्टिंग किया है. So say suppose if you want to select somebody for marketing, I can get you the detail of the 5 brand or 5 agencies, who have been listed with us, and you can have, so discussion with them. You can have an independent proposal, and you can, finalize any one of them, which are the good marketing agency, and they are doing the good, decent work, so in the community. So like that, so we have created the different consultant for the legal, for the SOP, for the training, for the marketing, creating the brochure, digital marketing, so that, so we have created, or we are trying to build a ecosystem, so that maybe, some brand may need the help of one service, somebody may need, 2 service, somebody may need all service. And just to share an example, recently, say the one brand came and they said that they wanted to, expand the pan India. Whereas, say during our evaluation, the committee was of the opinion that, this brand, instead of going pan India, first they should try into the one state. And in the one state, if they are able to, appoint at least 4 or 5 franchisee, then we will further evaluate, and if required, we will connect on India. So, we are helping them, in all respect, how to go with their business plan.
नरेंद्र जी, एक सजेशन था.
बोलिए.
While FDD is doing the connection, we should also create a small PDF file or PPT file, जिसमें एक basic about how one can, start preparing for becoming, a franchisor to go all India or zonal. प्लस ये जो आपके कॉन्टैक्ट्स जो आपने बनाए हैं, एक डॉक्यूमेंट हो जाए, ताकि वो जनरल आदमी को, इट्स नॉट अबाउट पीपल हु FDD इज ऑनबोर्डिंग, बट जनरल जैन और जीतो कम्युनिटी को उसका एक बेनिफिट मिल सके, इन एटलीस्ट मेकिंग देमसेल्व्स प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर द नेक्स्ट स्टेप.
संजय जी, that is ready with us. So we are in process of first, say orientation, that what is the FDD, how it is going to work. At least my target there was that, say in the next 1 month to do the orientation program and to connect with the every chapter chairman, chapter secretary, and the JBN chapter convener. So if they are knowing this, and then they're in various meeting, we can have a discussion on that. But nonetheless, that is ready.
Thank you for the inputs. Now, Sherji, I think you are satisfied. Are you satisfied?
No, perfect. Yeah. Thank you, Amit. Thank you, Narendra ji.
Thank you.
Okay, now over to Anilji Savla.
Jai Jinendra, everybody. Good evening.
Yeah, good evening. You are audible.
Yes, sir. I had 3 doubts. First one was, do we have a cap for a particular field, like for example, if we have a brand from pharma industry, how many products from pharma industry are we going to take, similar products, in a year's time?
So we are open. You know, you are talking about the competitive brand.
Yes. Yes.
So we see, this is an open market, and we are open. You know, so a number of brand can come if they are eligible and they are, you know, say meeting our requirement. I feel we are open.
Okay. And one more thing, two more doubts. Second was, the FDD program is for only Jain members, right? Only Jain brands can come in. Non-Jains are not allowed.
No, non-Jain are also allowed so far, you know, except some businesses, you know, who are not matching with the Jain values. Except them, we are open for any brand, because what I feel, you know, say actual service is to the larger community by providing them the meaningful businesses. So if the brand is owned by, you know, maybe some international company, or maybe with some other community member, we don't have any issue. So far, it is not conflicting, you know, having the conflict with the Jain values.
So the fee structure will be same for Jain and non-Jain, or there will be some difference?
For the brand which is owned by non-Jain, the fees is 5 lakh. Whereas for same service, the brand which is owned by Jain is the 2 lakh.
No, Narendra ji, non-Jito hai aapka.
Jito and non-Jito. Non-Jito member, sorry, my mistake. So any brand which is owned by Jito member, the fees is for the 1 or 2 zone, it is 1 lakh. For the 2 zone plus, it is 2 lakh. Whereas for the non-Jito member, it is 5 lakh.
And for the international, it is 10 lakh.
Sorry, I just ran out of my audio. Sorry. Yes, my third point was.
Your voice is not coming, sir.
अनिल जी, एक बार आप अपना वीडियो ऑफ करके बोलेंगे, क्योंकि आपकी वॉइस नहीं आ रही।
हेलो।
हाँ जी।
हाँ, अब आ रही है। Yeah.
Yes, sir. Sorry. My third point was, how are we going to target a Jain brand to non-Jain members? Let's say if I have a brand which I want to promote, and if in any city there is nobody from Jain fraternity or, you know, Jain community who doesn't want to take that brand, how are we going to approach the non-Jain community for the product?
See, you know, say right now we don't have any such plan. You know, say we are not a marketing. We are not a marketing agency. You know, say who is taking the responsibility of developing the brand. You know, say Pan India. But basically, what we are, you know, say seeing that, you know, say in more than 50 cities, you know, say wherever we have the chapters or the 50 JBN chapters, you know, so we are having the regular meetings. There, if we are presenting itself, you know, say there is the enough takers. If the brand is having a pull factor or the business is having a pull factor.
Done, sir. I asked this specifically because there are a lot of you know, jeans manufacturers in Bellary who are, you know, planning to get into you know, appointing more and more distributors, and they have their major business happening in south, in Kerala region and all. So there we don't have that much, you know, our Jain community is comparatively less over there.
So right now we don't have any plan, but definitely, you know, say in coming future, we can see that, you know, say how we can open the same for the non-Jain members also to participate as investors.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Anil ji. Now, next question is from Kamlesh ji Kothari. Yes, Kamlesh ji.
जय जिनेंद्र सर।
जय जिनेंद्र सर। हाँ जी, हाँ जी।
आ रही।
सर मैं नासिक जीतो चैप्टर में चीफ सेक्रेटरी हूँ। सभी को जय जिनेंद्र। हमने यहाँ पर बिजनेस बे करके एक बिल्डिंग हमारे जीतो मेंबर्स के अंदर बनवाया है, जिसमें करीबन 2200 स्क्वायर फीट के 81 शॉप्स है। आउट ऑफ दैट लगभग 40 शॉप्स हमारे पास में है और सब जीतो मेंबर्स के ही है। और वो चाहते हैं कि इंडिया से जो अच्छे ब्रांड्स हैं कि फ्रेंचाइजी ओन एंड कंपनी रन, इस टाइप से अगर हमें बिजनेसेस मिलते हैं कि नासिक का एक अच्छा बिजनेस बिल्डिंग बनवाया हुआ है, तो उसमें हमें क्या हेल्प मिल सकती है?
सर ऐसा है कि आपकी जो JBN मीटिंग होती है उसके अंदर में एज आई सेड दैट यू नो आवर सेक्रेटरीट विल कनेक्ट यू एंड दे विल प्रेजेंट यू द वेरियस ब्रांड. So we have decided कि so far you know so we are going to present maximum 4 brand in a meeting. So like that you know so we can present the various opportunity in the meeting and then we can you know see that you know how it is growing. However, listening your opportunity you know so we may think about having a different you know model also, where the you know so we can present various opportunity multiple time, or maybe you know we can work out where the these brand can expand their business into Nasik.
यानी हम इस तरह से भी कर सकते हैं सर कि जो ओनर्स है उन ओनर्स का एक मीटिंग सेपरेटली बुला सकते हैं और उस मीटिंग में अगर हमको इस तरह का प्रेजेंटेशन मिला तो वो लोग एक दूसरे के साथ कनेक्ट हो सकते हैं।
100%. So when I am saying that you know से आपकी JBN मीटिंग के अंदर में मैं जो 2 से 4 ब्रांड प्रेजेंट करने का बात कर रहा हूँ ना, उसके अंदर में भी हम चेष्टा यही करेंगे कि जो ब्रांड है उसका कोई ना कोई रिप्रेजेंटेटिव वहाँ पे होना चाहिए. But however you know say still due to this pandemic and the situation is still sometime you know going up and down, still we are working out with the both the model which is in person as well as through Zoom. But definitely you know so we can work out.
Okay, चलेगा.
अभी जैसे अप्रैल के अंदर में आपके बैंगलोर के अंदर में एक फ्रेंचाइजी एक्सपो दे हैव प्लान्ड ऑन शायद 15 या 16 अप्रैल का है. So similar you know a franchisee expo can be planned for the Nasik also, where the you know so we can rope in the various franchisor who are having the meaningful business for the Nasik.
ये सबसे अच्छा तरीका होगा सर कि हम सब अरेंजमेंट यहाँ पर कर सकते हैं. अगर इस तरह से सुविधा हुई तो दोनों के लिए बहुत अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी ओपन हो सकती है.
See, we are open for all different model, but we have just begun, and you know we will explore all such kind of the possibility. The overall goal is you know say to develop 1,000 new businesses.
Right. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, Kamlesh ji.
Yes.
Over to Vinod ji Bagrecha. I think he's from Jito East Delhi. Vinod ji, welcome.
हाँ, जय जिनेंद्र साहब.
जय जिनेंद्र.
सबसे पहले तो आई एम ऑडिबल नो?
Yeah, very much.
अच्छा, सबसे पहले तो मैं धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूँ नरेंद्र जी एंड हिज टीम के बहुत ही ग्रेट इनिशिएटिव लिया है. एक खासकर छोटे चैप्टर लेवल में जो मतलब अलग अलग डीलरशिप और फ्रेंचाइजी के बारे में जानकारी मिलेगी. मेरा क्वेश्चन ये था कि जैसे हमारा बल्लारी जो है वो 2 टायर और 3 टायर टाउन है, यहाँ पर पे हमको ज़्यादातर फ्रेंचाइजी मतलब चाहिए होगी. हमारे पास फ्रेंचाइजर थोड़े कम मिलेंगे. तो जैसे हमने सुना है कि फ्रेंचाइजी के लिए तो कोई मेंबरशिप फीस नहीं है, लेकिन अगर एक बार ब्रांड कोई हमें पसंद आ जाए और जब बात करनी है तो 1 to 1 हमें फ्रेंचाइजर से ही डायरेक्टली बात करनी होगी कि आप भी इसमें मीडिएट करके कि भाई इसमें ऐसे एग्रीमेंट होना चाहिए, कंसल्टेंसी, क्योंकि दोनों को इसमें लाभ होना चाहिए. ऐसा कोई हेल्पफुल भी मिलेगा इसमें एक बार अगर कोई ब्रांड पसंद आ जाए?
ऐसा है कि बेसिकली हम लोग जो ऑनबोर्ड करते हैं ना, उससे पहले जैसे हमारी कमेटी ने जो एक सिस्टम प्रोसेस बनाया है और उसके थ्रू जब हम उनके साथ डिस्कस करते हैं तो एक ऑलरेडी हम बिजनेस मॉडल पे डिस्कस भी करते हैं, सजेस्ट भी करते हैं उनको, However, definitely the some of the business decision are, say totally the privilege or their, say final decision is being taken by the brand owner. तो हमारा जो काम है बेसिकली वो ये है कि जैसे आपके बेल्लारी में मान लो यदि जेबीएन की मीटिंग आप हर महीना करते हो, तो हम 4 प्रपोजल यहाँ पे हर महीना प्रेजेंट करते हैं. तो बेसिकली you can have and the brand owner or the representative can come there Bellary and they can discuss and they can explain person. Now the commercials is totally between the brand and chapter, and what I believe and I always suggest that always it should be win-win. It should not be just one person is earning and second is having the peanut. वो गाड़ी ज्यादा दिन चलता नहीं.
हाँ, वही मेरा कहना था बस.
लंबा नेटवर्क करना है और यदि लंबा बिजनेस करना है तो डेफिनेटली दोनों पार्टी को मजा आना चाहिए. एंड यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड इन कमर्शियल बिजनेस व्हेन आई एम सेइंग मजा, तो मजे का मतलब प्रॉफिट आना चाहिए.
राइट सर, थैंक यू.
वेलकम विनोद जी. सो ओवर टू नीरज जी फ्रॉम लुधियाना.
जय जिनेंद्र. सबसे पहले बधाई दूंगा नरेंद्र जी को कि उन्होंने बहुत अच्छा इनिशिएटिव लिया इसको एफडीडी शुरुआत करने का. मेरा एक सुझाव है कि जो ब्रांड ओनर अपनी प्रेजेंटेशन देना चाहे, आप पैन इंडिया जूम पे उसकी एक मीटिंग कीजिए, क्योंकि पॉसिबल नहीं है कि हम हर महीने जेबीएन मीट में अगर हम 4 ब्रांड को बुलाते हैं तो गैदरिंग नहीं इकट्ठी हो पाएगी. क्योंकि कल को जो प्रेजेंटेशन देने आने वाला है उसके सामने भी कम से कम हैंडसम गैदरिंग होनी चाहिए, तभी उस पर अच्छा प्रभाव पड़ेगा. इट विल बी बेटर कि एक ब्रांड एक मीटिंग पैन इंडिया, तो जो इंटरेस्टेड होगा वो फिर आपको आपकी टीम को अपने कॉन्टेक्ट करेगा. थैंक यू.
Good suggestion. We will definitely see that say how we can do this also. So maybe with the coming time there are the different models or the different propositions are coming. Already I am seeing from the Bangalore, from the Nasik and from the Ludhiana. Really your suggestions are exciting us a lot. So ultimately देखिए धंधा होना चाहिए, business होना चाहिए, and whatever the model which is say is giving us the result, giving the result to everyone, definitely we will go with that. हालांकि मेरा एक अपना समवेयर ये मानना है कि जूम होता है और इन पर्सन होता है. इन पर्सन का मीटिंग में रिजल्ट goes 3 to 4 times better. Anyway, but definitely we will implement this also.
So I think it's already time 9:35 हो रहा है, 9:38. So we'll take all other questions offline. So last में मैं नरेंद्र जी से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा. ऋषभ जी हैं? ऋषभ जी I think he's not there. So नरेंद्र जी से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा to give a vote of thanks.
Shall I, Rahul?
Yes, yes, Narendra. I think he's not there.
So thanks everyone, say joining at this odd hours, that also, say at a very, very short notice, but that's, say your presence is really exciting us. And what I feel, this is just beginning. So just, there is an idea and there is a team and we all are trying, to build it and to make it really very, very large, very, very big. And collectively, definitely, say we will be able to do. My request will be, to the 4 zones from where, so we are still in the process of selecting the co-convener. You can understand, say being a new project and how big is this project, and at every zone I am expecting that say at least every month 1 to 2 brand can onboard on this platform, and this FDD platform can have 100 brands which we can present, say to the Pan India, the entire Jito community, and can get the business growing. So once again, thanks everyone. And if you have any further question, you can connect with any of us who are the FDD convener, co-convener, or anyone. Siddesh is always there. Thank you everyone.